Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Demco Air Force One supplemental braking system for Tiffin chassis motorhomes with the factory air brakes. So if you have a 2020 or newer Tiffin motorhome with factory installed air brakes, your motorhome already has the capability of supplying air pressure for a flat-towed vehicle. So this kit is going to install on your vehicle. It's going to allow it to receive that air pressure from your motorhome so that it can apply the brakes as it's being flat-towed. This is just part of the full Demco Air Force One kit, but because you already have the components on your RV, you don't need to pay for the full kit. So this is just going to be the components that you need for your towed vehicle. This will have this 7-foot long coiled air hose that's going to connect the air assembly in your RV to the operating unit on your towed vehicle. This will automatically function when the towed vehicle is connected to the RV, so it's going to be very simple to operate. Just get hooked up while you're connecting your tow bar to your base plates, and you'll be ready to go. Like I said, this is a 7-foot long cable when fully extended, and it's coiled to help keep it up off the ground as you're towing, but it's going to give you plenty of room to make turns and that sort of thing. The operating unit here is going to install in your engine compartment on your towed vehicle, and then your actuating cylinder is going to mount onto the brake pedal high enough that it's not going to interfere with your normal operation, so you can still get in your vehicle after you've disconnected it and drive it normally. This will all stay installed, but you'll be able to very easily get hooked up and then disconnected and take off around town or wherever it is that you're going. Leave your RV at your campsite. Unlike some of your more temporary options where you have to put a big unit in your vehicle before you can tow it and then take it out before you can drive, this is as simple as disconnecting your air hose and you're ready to go. So very simple system here to utilize. This is a truly proportional system, so it is going to use the air pressure from your RV's brakes to apply the brake pedal in your vehicle in proportion to the braking action in your RV. So the towed vehicle's brakes are going to activate at the same time and with the same intensity as those in the motorhome. So if you were to slam on the brakes in the motorhome, you're going to have your towed vehicle slam on its brakes as well. So it is going to be a truly proportional system so that everything is acting together to slow both vehicles down. The coach air brakes must be activated for the system to apply the towed car's brakes, so you don't have to worry about any false braking. Some other units in a worst case scenario could potentially get kind of askew and lock the brakes in place. You don't have to worry about that with this. And to give you some extra peace of mind, they do include the LED coach notification system that will illuminate when the towed vehicle's brakes are applied. It connects to the towed car's brake light switch to ensure proper reading, so you can tell when the brakes are being applied, just to give you that extra reassurance that you know the brakes are not activated while you're wanting to move and that sort of thing. All of the necessary installation components and instructions are included to help you get this installed. It is going to be a pretty in-depth installation, but definitely something that you can do. They walk you through that instructions very easily for you to get everything put in place the way it needs to be. This system does meet the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard safety guidelines for motorhomes that use air brakes. They also include your breakaway here so that you get this attached to this, and then if you were to come disconnected, that's going to pull that out so that your brakes will apply on their own to make sure that your vehicle slows and stops itself. It's not going to be going down the road disconnected. Will come to a nice stop for you. This cable is also 7 feet long, so it's going to give you that same amount of maneuvering room there as your air hose. This kit is made here in the USA, so you can trust it is going to be a good quality for you. And like I said, this is just part of the kit, so all of the components that are already on your RV you'll be able to utilize and just pay for what you need with this instead of getting a lot of additional components that you already have. So if you already have those air brakes on your motorhome, this is going to be a great kit to get your vehicle ready so that you can flat tow it safely behind your RV. That completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.